Hey everybody, it's Guy Arnold, and I'm going to try to tell you how to spend $2 to save thousands. Once again, we're in Dallas, Texas area. It's not used to get cold weather, but when we do, you got to protect your pipes. Tonight and tomorrow, supposed to get on to 28 degrees below freezing, can crack your pipes if not protected. So go to your hardware store, buy these little styrofoam faucet protectors. They're about $2. They'll save you thousands maybe. They're very simple to use. Inside of them, there's this little ring. Attach that to the handle of your hose valve, on the valve. You tighten it up. I'll show you how to do that. And you need that when the temperatures don't drop below freezing. You need to have these on these Texas homes because they're just not made like the Michigan homes. As you can see, I've got this looped onto the handle now. All you do is push that tight to your house. This has a little button to slide the mechanism here that will tighten it onto there. Just push that tight, pull this part to you. There, it's tight on the house. Your house is protected. Just a little tip to help save you some money. Talk to you later.